In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background music inside of ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed in, on the left-hand side, we've got a whole bunch of tabs. Click on the Studio tab on the left-hand side. Then from here, we want to go ahead and create a new blank project. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a video project. You can do an audio one, but for this demo, I'm going to do a video project. Now, it should direct us into the ElevenLabs studio. Now, we can either upload a file or we can record. Now, what I'm going to do is click on video and I'm going to upload a video. Or we can create one here by using some different models here. So I'm just dragged over a video that I got from Pexels for this demonstration. Then from here, I'm going to put in some speech and then add some music. So this is the video that I'm going to be using, like so. And now also I'm going to import my voice that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this voice in, and now it should get added to the timeline down below. Now I'm just going to change this slider so it starts at the top, at the start with the video, like that. And I can also trim this video because it is quite long. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that slider to match the length of the voice, like so. Now if I press play, so I'm going to start from here.
Waking up to the sound of gentle waves.
All right, so I want to add some music background to this. So I want to go ahead and click onto music. Now you want to go ahead and describe your song. So I'm going to got this prompt here. So relaxing beach ambience with soft piano. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on create. Now you can see it's going to give us a few variations. Generating music. Now while it's doing that, I'm going to move my slider back to the start here. All right, so I've got some different tracks here. So let's check out track 1. Not bad. Track 2. I might use Coastal Serenity for this one. So I'm going to click onto it and I'm going to click add to timeline. Now that's going to go ahead and import that music to timeline. And again, this is quite long, so you want to go ahead and trim that down to match the video. Now I want to use this slider to move all the way across. Now I'm going to drag this like so. I'm not sure if there's a quicker way to do this. You should just be able to drag that and it'll keep going left to right, but it's not. So I'm going to pause this video and just edit this. Actually, a quicker way here, I forgot to do this. So I can click onto the end, click onto S, and that's going to split that, and then click onto the right hand side or the clip you don't want and click on delete, and that's going to delete, or right click it and click delete. Now this all matches. Now if I go ahead and play this from the start, let's see what it sounds like.
Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves, warm ocean breezes, and endless blue horizons. This is a place where nature slows time and every
So yeah, you can hear that background music playing, but we can change the volume of this. So click onto this and then click on the volume. So if it's too strong, go ahead and change the percent to say 50% and then see what that sounds like in the video. Now once you played around all the different settings, go ahead and export your video.